It's summertime!
Scholars, it's summertime. Welcome to the highly rated learning for kids Splash Summer Edition.
Let's learn about the seasons with me, Mrs. Davis, LiL Tee, Tenkie, and of course, scholars. We cannot forget about the twins, King and Dynasty. Let's go!
Let's go!
Scholars, do you hear that?
Yeah?
I hear it too. Those are waves. It is summertime, and we're going to learn about the seasons. Let's start with summer. Scholars, summer is a season. Summer is the hottest and brightest of the four temperature seasons. Summer occurs after spring and before autumn. Scholars, let's spell summer together. S U M E R. Summer. Summer is one of the four seasons. In winter, the weather is very cold. In spring, the weather is warm. In summer, the weather is hot. And in fall, the weather starts to cool back down.
In summer, the weather is extremely hot, and it is very important to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water. In summer, the nights are short and the days are hot and long.
June, July, and August are the months of summer. Summer is the season of travel, vacation, and of course swimming and going to the beach. At the beach, there are many different things to see and explore. What do you see when you go to the beach?
I see a clam, I see a seashell, and I see a starfish.
Great job. What else can you tell me about what you see, scholars?
I don't know. Me either. We already talked about seeing a clam, a seashell, and a starfish.
Can you describe what they look like?
Scholars, I think we need your help. I got it! I see a pink clam, I see a blue seashell, and I see an orange starfish. Whoa! Wow! I see some new things here. I see crabs.
Great job! Can you tell me how many crabs you see, and can you be more descriptive?
Yes. Sure. There are a lot of crabs. And I noticed that some are red and some are blue.
Great observation. Did you notice anything else?
Yes, I noticed that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue crabs and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red crabs. 5 plus 6 equals 11.
Wow, scholars, that is amazing. You are correct. There are 5 blue crabs and 6 red crabs. That equals 11.
Wow, I love summer. I love being at the beach too.
What else do you see?
I see a bird flying. I see a sea turtle. And I see a boat in the water.
Great job, scholars. You are doing an amazing job. The weather is sunny. Scholars, do you hear that? Listen. Scholars, put on your listening ears. Listen. Do you hear that? Those are the sounds of waves, scholars. Beautiful waves making their way to the seashore, all the way to the beach.
Since the weather is sunny, we decided to go to the beach. Yeah, and get into the water. We run to get into the ocean water. This is so much fun. We swim in the wavy water. The water is wavy. The water is blue. The water is beautiful. And we are cool. I see fish and sea animals in the water too. Hey scholars, do you want to swim with us? Why don't you jump in? Jump in and swim with us. But watch out for the other kids jumping in. Scholars, watch out.
Swim left or right to avoid getting hit by the kids jumping in.
Watch out! Watch out!
Whew, that was close. Scholars, now it's your turn to enjoy swimming. Make those large arm circles and move those legs like fish and enjoy your swim time.
This is so much fun. Wow, you're an excellent swimmer.
Wow, scholars, you are excellent swimmers. Good job.
Whoa, incoming tidal waves. Scholars, this is so much fun. Wow, I have a great idea. Let's play wave jumper. Cool. How do you play? Whenever you see waves coming, all you have to do is jump over as many waves as possible. Let's go, scholars, jump! Jump over as many waves as you can, jump! 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 Wow, that was so much fun! I had an awesome time! That was cool! We had an awesome day with you, scholars. Thank you! This was an amazing summer day, and what a wonderful way to end it with a beautiful sunset.
Scholars, I hope that you enjoyed learning about the seasons, especially summer. I enjoyed myself tremendously. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace and blessings.